Paul. Ari is an entertainer who's been on Fox News, ABC,
NBC, and has also been hired by and performed for companies such as Comcast, QVC, the Phillies, and numerous major hotels.
Ari Paul is best known for his magic of the mind.
Well, he's joining us live in the studio this morning to show us his tricks, as you pointed out.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the Fox 43 studios, Ari Paul.
My guest is Ari Paul Felber.
We're gonna go ladies first, ladies first. You had the 10 of clubs? Yes. Now look, now that the applause has died down, we're gonna find his. I'm kidding, you don't have to clap. Push it in, yeah.
Okay, let me take out the first
Here, you
card.
mix them, you mix them. You take them and mix them. You know where it is yet? Give him a good mix. I don't know where that card could have gone.
It's in your hands, right? See? Oh. All right. Okay. Good one, bro.
Thank you. You have more than 3. He said, here you go. He said, there's 2, there's 3. That's 7. Deborah, yes? I'm there a minute. I owe the guy $7. What a racket. But he said I could win back all my money. $7, double or nothing. All I had to do was tell him the color of the face down card. I said purple. I was confused. What color do you think it is? He said I owed him 14.
My number would be Tom Cruise.
You're kidding. Because they're all different, right? And I wrote something down before we started. Look what I wrote.
I love it. How did you do that? Are you kidding me? Who is this guy?
My name is Ari. I'm actually going to do some magic for you, and what you just did was the appropriate amount of applause for what you're going to see. So, very first trick I ever did, I'll tell you the whole story behind it. I was 13 years old. I was in my parents' basement. There was 5 people down there. My first magic trick. I was super excited. Made myself a little magic show box. Guys, do the cards look big to you? Yeah. I have small hands. I will read you. What's your name? Hi, Diana. Do me a favor. Can you go like this, please? Of course you can help. Thanks for volunteering. Everyone, Diana, I remember it quite vividly because I was 9 years old at the time, and that was the year my parents moved. Eventually I did find them, but can you imagine? But remember, the trick is not done with 1. The trick is not done with 2. It's done with 3. They're all different sizes. There's a medium one, a little one, and a long one. Thank you. Now, Jennifer, look, this trick's only going to work if you're standing as far away from me as I am from you. Okay, fantastic. Now, look, let me tell you something. What I'm going to do is I'm going to come around. I want 6 people. 6 people are going to get a number. So we'll start with you, JT. Push it open somewhere in the middle and just remember the number. Got one? Don't forget it. Sir, do me a favor. Just push up and remember a number. I want you to be the only one who sees it. Got one? Yeah. Fantastic. If you don't mind, push up. Remember a number. Got one? Don't forget your number. We're going to get a couple more people here. Push. Everyone's got a number in mind. I'm going to write something down here. Think of your number. Everyone think of a number. Think of a number. I'm going to write this down, and I'm going to cover it up. I don't want you guys to see this yet. You guys cool with this? You good while you're... Valerie, think of your birthday. Forget the year. Think of the month of the day, okay? Ladies and gentlemen, I wrote down 3 numbers. I asked you to all think of a number. We went around the room and asked for 3 numbers. I wrote mine down first. You guys came up with 3, 6, 7. Look. Ladies and gentlemen, 3, 6, 7. Valerie, obviously there's no way I could know your birthday, yeah? April 28th, April 28th, her birthday. Last but not least, 10 of diamonds, 8 of spades. 10 of diamonds, 8 of spades. Thank you. What is it?
Ocker.
Hi, Ocker. Fantastic. Yeah. This is wild stuff. Can you hold out your hand for a moment? Check this out. What? Look at the quarter. It actually melts right inside of your hand.
That's crazy.
Keep that. Tell us, how much money do you guys see there? About roughly
$5.
What do you think? About 5? Covering the bases here? 5 or 6?
That's what he said. He's quicker than me.
Look, check this out.
I'm much older.
They never
than
leave
he
your
is.
site. We got 20, 40, 60, 80, $100. And fellas, it actually works. It works with your money too, fellas. Take about 10 to 12 business days.
So you probably just give me your money now.
I'll just give you all my singles.
7 of spades, yeah? If I take the 7 of spades and blow on it, it will turn into Kyle's card. Kyle, take the card. Just so you know, it's the only card in the whole world like it. But remember, the trick isn't done with 1. The trick isn't done with 2. It's done with 3 that are all different sizes. We got the medium one, the little one, and the long one.
Pretty good.
Pretty good.
Don't stop. What was your name again? Hi, Peggy. I'm sorry. I'm terrible at making. Peggy, do me a favor. Can you go like this, please? Just go like this, please. Yeah, of course you can help me. Thanks for volunteering. Everyone give Peggy a clap. Oh, you know what that is? That is a map of America, ladies and gentlemen. That is a map of America. I actually went to the trouble. I memorized the capital of every state in America. You know, give me a tough state, an obscure state. I'll tell you the capital. That's a capital I. A lemon, ladies and gentlemen, can you believe it? Lemon. Do you guys know what this is? No, it's a Chicago credit card. Give me the money! Now! John, please stand up. Come here, please. Come closer. Suspense is killing me, John. Face the audience. Look. Yeah, feet stomping on the floor. What was the card? Don't show them yet. Check this out. Now, if that's just a random bill, guess what? That is ridiculous. But if it says Brian, it's pretty cool. You can just drop that on the table, take that out of there, and open it up. If it says Brian on there, it's a pretty cool trick, and you'll get a huge round of applause. Wow. Give it up for Brian, guys.
Look, I'm the general manager of the Hampton Inn Philadelphia Convention Center. I just saw Ari do the most magical, most significant, the most tricked out magic I have ever seen. Did a great job, just blew my mind.
We hired Ari Paul today for our corporate holiday client appreciation event. Fantastic job. He was funny, he was entertaining. I don't know how he does it. Highly recommend him.
Hey, we just had Ari Paul Felber come through and do the most amazing magic show. We had our company party today, and it was literally mind-blowing and one of the best things we ever could have done. Thank you so much, Ari, for coming. It was so much fun, and hire him. It's worth it.
Hey, this is Greg coming from Spencer Gifts and Spear Halloween's home office. I am the events coordinator here, and we've hired Ari Paul for the 4th time here. He does amazing magic and mentalism. We highly recommend him. Thanks.
Hi, just saw Ari's show, and he was fantastic, and we're just sorry you live in California and we can't see him more often. Just amazing. Just amazing.
Hi, I hired Ari Paul for my company party, and he made me laugh so hard I almost peed my pants. I'm just saying, it was so good. The lemon, the $100 bill, the egg, it was so great. Thank you so much, Ari.
My name is Kelly Savage. I am with QVC Corporate Events. I saw Ari first perform at a different venue, and I knew I had to bring him down to QVC. We are always looking for someone innovative and completely entertaining for our events, and that is exactly what he provided for us this evening. Our guests were thrilled. The performance was non-stop laughs and amazement, and we couldn't have asked for anything better. It was complete pleasure working with him, and I'm sure we would like to do it again.
If anybody were to ask you in, 2 words, how would you describe Ari, and would you recommend him?
Amazing astonishment, and of course.